Have you ever faced a situation where dust attracted to the surface of plastic, rubber, glass or wooden part is disrupting your production? Static electricity is often the cause, rendering conventional cleaning methods ineffective. SMC offers a solution to ensure highly effective cleaning through a four-pillar approach. The first pillar in our process, ionization, serves a dual purpose in surface cleaning, neutralizing static charges to ease separation and preventing reattraction of dust. The choice of ionizing solution depends on factors such as surface size, workpiece material, discharge speed, and ion balance. Filtration, our second pillar, is essential yet often overlooked. Unfiltered air can introduce contaminants, undoing the cleaning process. Here, the garbage in, garbage out rule applies, because if you introduce non-purified air, you inevitably blow impurities towards every surface you are trying to clean, wasting both time and money. The third pillar is blowing efficiency. Combining compressed air blowing with ionizing enhances your cleaning efficiency. Using nozzles instead of a simple orifice increases impact pressure, which improves cleaning effectiveness. Furthermore, adding a pulse valve can elevate efficiency while also reducing your air consumption significantly. And finally, our fourth pillar, effective suction. Blowing dust away is only part of the solution. The dust must also be collected to prevent resettling. Depending on the application, vacuum flow units that provide a high suction flow rate or high flow pumps can be used to ensure thorough removal of dust from surfaces. So, regardless of your type of application or industry, our four-pillar approach to anti-static cleaning enhances the quality of your clean surfaces. Contact SMC today to see how our approach can elevate your efficiency, lower your downtime, and deliver a boost to your overall equipment effectiveness.